Namaste one and all. I am Rashmi Etiraju, music therapist and counseling psychologist at Meera Center for Music Therapy Education and Research for 11 years under the guidance, support and encouragement of my guru, Dr. Meenakshi Ravi ma'am. My humble pranams to you ma'am. I am very grateful to you for having given me this opportunity to share about music therapy and disabilities or differential abilities. Meera Center for Music Therapy Education and Research is one of the oldest and well-established music schools in Bangalore under Manol Lasani Trust. It was founded by Vidushi Dr. Meenakshi Ravi and Mridangam Vidwan Karnataka Kalashri Shri N.G. Ravi in the year 1988. Manol Lasani Trust was instituted under the Income Service Act, Section 80G, in 2006 with the sole intention of making music therapy an integral part of treatment and rehabilitation in medical, psychiatric and social settings in India. I am here to speak about the impact of music therapy on children with disabilities. Today, being December 3rd, is observed as World Disability Day, promoted by United Nations in 1992. Disability is a physical, mental, cognitive or developmental condition that interferes with or limits a person's ability to engage in certain tasks or actions or participate in typical daily activities and interactions. Types of disabilities include blindness, low vision, hearing impairment, intellectual disabilities, mental illness, autism spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, chronic neurological conditions, specific learning disabilities, multiple sclerosis, speech and language disability, multiple disabilities including blind and deaf, Parkinson's disease, etc. The different interventions available for the treatment and to help them cope better are music therapy, speech therapy, movement therapy, yoga therapy, art therapy, behavioral therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy or physiotherapy, etc. What is music therapy? Music therapy is a type of expressive art therapy that uses organized sound or music within a client and a therapist relationship, enabling to establish non-musical, physical, social, psychological goals through music. The various disorders we have been dealing with at Meera Center for Music Therapy are ADD, ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, dyslexia, learning disabilities, cerebral palsy, schizophrenia, Down syndrome, multiple disorders, blind, mental retardation, behavioral disorders, global developmental delay with cochlear implant, bipolar disorders, depression, speech delay and many more. At Meera Center, the research is purely experiential based on qualitative analysis in a non-hospital setup. So far, we have had more than 150 beneficiaries of music therapy. Music therapy works well on special children as it helps to improve communication skills, facilitate social interaction, become flexible and responds better, cope up with academic disabilities or difficulties, facilitates relaxation, it increases motor skills, coordination, they become independent, increases self-confidence, enhances speech clarity and pronunciation, improve eye-to-eye contact, sitting tolerance improved, boosts self-esteem, increases attention span. The techniques we use at our center are, we use various forms of Indian classical music, in our sessions along with movements and other techniques based on the requirement of each client. Excuse me. We make them clap along with bhajans. Sometimes we also teach movements, actions along with bhajans or songs, which helps in coordination, understanding and rhythm sense. The swara patterns with tala, clapping, snapping, tapping technique helps them understand rhythm and also for better coordination. Chanting of mantras or shlokas and omkar with chin mudra and closed eyes enhances concentration, calms and relaxes their mind, improves clarity of speech and better articulation. At our center, we keep conducting group sessions. Also, we keep conducting programs once in 3 months. This enables self-confidence in children. We make them sing in group so as to bring about socialization, better behavior with the peers, coordination with others, communication skills being better. We also motivate each child to teach a song to their peers and also teachers. We sit and participate in the session as students, which makes them very happy and they also feel motivated, confident and strong. The positive strokes and tokens of appreciations make them feel better about themselves. They feel accepted and connected. Each child is different as they have different level of IQ, speech, communication, perception, acceptance, tolerance, etc. Based on the child's needs, we assess and formulate the patterns of teaching accordingly. Music therapy works wonders for the children when there is a strong commitment and cooperation from the parent as well. We have seen excellent results at our center. We have seen improved speech clarity and better articulation. Sitting tolerance has increased in many hyperactive children. Coordination and communication have improved in many children. Music therapy has enhanced self-confidence and self-esteem among many children. Many of them have become self-reliant or self-dependent. Being a music therapist has enabled me to learn many new techniques adapting to various environments. Acceptance has increased in me. It has increased my level of creativity, perception and patience. I have been using different forms of Carnatic music therapeutically in accordance with the needs of clients, helping them cope up with their difficulties. Music therapy has a wide scope in Indian music and my wish is to see that this intervention becomes a scientifically accepted intervention in the health sector. Music therapy training programs at university level with a valid certification is the need of the day. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯ. ಈ ದಿನ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಡೇ. ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಸೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋ ಮಗಳ ತಾಯಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. 2012ರಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಮೀರಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಪಡೀತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷ ರವಿ ಮತ್ತು ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸಂಗೀತ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅಂದಿನಿಂದ ಇಂದಿನವರೆಗೂ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಗೀತ ರಾಗ, ತಾಳ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ದೇವರ ನಾಮಗಳು, ಭಜನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಶಾಂತಿ, ಆನಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಲಿಬಲ್ಲೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಭಾವ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಥೆರಪಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಆಟಿಸಮ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ರಿಟಾರ್ಡೇಷನ್, ಡೌನ್ ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ತುಂಬ ದೈವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು, ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಬಾರದವರಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸ್ಕಿಜೋಫ್ರೇನಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಬಳಲುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳೊಬ್ಬಳು ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಈಗ ಸಂಸಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅಂಗವಿಕಲತೆ ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿರಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಗೀತ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆನಂದ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರಿಗೇ ಅರಿವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ದೇವರ ನಾಮಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇರುವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೇವರ ವರವಿದ್ದಂತೆ, ಲೈಫ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸಂಗೀತ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ರವಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಿಸ್ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅವರು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಮೀರಾ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಶ್ಮಿಯವರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಅವರು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮತ್ತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಚ್ಯುತ ನರಮೃಗರೂಪ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಚ್ಯುತ ನರಮೃಗರೂಪ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿ ಚೌರಿಹರಿ ನಾರಾಯಣಾಚ್ಯುತ ನರಮೃಗರೂಪ ಶ್ರೀಪತಿ ಚೌರಿಹರಿ ವಾಣಿಜೋಗಮ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದಿತ ಚಾರಿತ್ರ ವಾಣಿಜೋಗಮ ವಂದ್ಯ ವಂದಿತ ಚಾರಿತ್ರ ಪುರಮಾರ್ದನಾಮಿತ್ರ ಪರಮಾ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಪುರಮಾರ್ದನಾಮಿತ್ರ ಪರಮಾ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಶಶಿಲೋಚನಾ ಇಂದೋ ನಿಬಾನನಾ ಶಶಿಲೋಚನಾ ಇಂದೋ ನಿಬಾನನಾ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕುಂಡಲನಾಥನ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕುಂಡಲನಾಥನ ಕನಕಮಯ ವಾಸನ ಘನಪಾಪನಾಶನ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕುಂಡಲನಾಥ ವೇಣುನಾದಾಯ ವದನ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕುಂಡಲನಾಥ ವೇಣುನಾದಾಯ ವದನ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ವಲ್ಲಭ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ಗೋವರ್ಧನೋದ್ಧಾರಕ.
I have been associated with Meera Center for Music Therapy for more than 4 years now. I started off when my son was a little over 4 in Hyderabad with Meenakshi ma'am. And then later, close to 1.5 years back, we shifted to Bangalore. When I started, my son was still non-verbal, and hence we were very skeptical as to how much will he understand or pick up. But it just took, I think, a couple of months where he slowly started picking up the tunes first, and then though the pronunciations were not very clear, the basic words in some songs that ma'am initially started. Meenakshi ma'am's patience and encouragement took us a long way, where gradually he started improving, and with improvement in songs and music, also improved his articulation and speech as well. Sitting tolerance, eye contact, response to name were certain other areas also where we saw improvement. So obviously we were very worried when we were moving to Bangalore, but Meenakshi ma'am assured us that here Rashmi ma'am would be very helpful to us and guide us in a similar fashion. And nonetheless, it's been a very uphill journey, in fact, since we joined here with Rashmi ma'am. Now it will be, I think, around 2 years this the coming February, the coming year. Again, initially it did take them some time to build the rapport, but again, such soft voice that she used not only in her songs but also while talking were very reassuring, I'm sure, to the child and to us parents as well. And not to mention her patience that she's always had with my son, because initially, obviously, sitting tolerance again would go back since she was a new person, but then handling him with such gentle love and care, going on and on, even though immediate result might not be seen. All these have helped us a lot. And now I think he's turned into a little favorite of Rashmi ma'am, where he too looks forward. And now we've come to a stage where he can sit independently, follow her instructions, sing to her request, whatever she asks for, he can perform, follow instructions all independently, even during the online sessions, which we were not sure at the beginning. So, a heartfelt gratitude to Meera Center for Music Therapy, and I really wish them a lot of luck for a number of children that they are making a difference in. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everybody, I am the parent of a child at Meera Center for Music Therapy, and my son is guided by Rashmi ma'am and also Meenakshi ma'am. They both are very patient and they will guide him very well always, and he has learned lot of patience after learning music there. He has been learning there for about 2 years, and he knows to talk to everyone now. Before, he never used to talk with anyone and never used to respond back if anyone asked him anything. But now he knows what to respond, and he speaks very well. His voice has become very nice after learning music at Meera Center of Music Therapy. And I would like to thank both ma'ams, Rashmi ma'am and Meenakshi ma'am, for guiding him and making him to be patient. And he was very hypersensitive before, but now he will sit for hours together without any problem. Thank you.